Welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about ambidentate and chelate ligands. We have already discussed about ligands and its types. If you didn't watch the video part 1 and part 2, you should watch. What is ambidentate ligand? In some monodentate ligands, there are two donor atoms which can contribute with the central atom through more than one site at a time. Such ligands are known as ambidentate ligands. For example, NO2 minus nitrito. It is a monodentate ligand which have two donor atoms, oxygen and nitrogen. When oxygen is attached with central metal in coordination compound, then it is known as nitrito O, whereas nitrogen is attached with central metal in coordination compound, then it is known as nitrito N or nitro. Similarly, cyanido Cn minus is a monodentate ligand which have two donor atoms, carbon and nitrogen. When carbon is attached with central metal, then it is called cyano or cyanido, whereas nitrogen is attached with central metal in coordination compound by dative bond, then it is known as isocyano. Similarly, thiocyano HCN minus. It have also two donor atoms, sulfur and nitrogen. When sulfur is attached with a central metal, then it is known as thiocyano, whereas nitrogen is attached with central metal in coordination compound, then it is known as isothiocyanate. So, nitrito, cyanido, thiocyano are the example of ambidentate ligands. Next important thing is that coordination compound which contains ambidentate ligand shows linkage isomerism or salt isomerism. Very important for your competition also. Come again. Now we read about chelate ligands. When a di or polydentate ligand uses its two or more donor atoms to form coordinate bonds with central atom or ion, then a ring structure is obtained. This ring is called chelate rings, and ligands are known as chelate ligands. For example, ethylene diamine, oxalato, etc. When ethylene diamine attaches to Cu2 plus ion through two NH2 groups, then forms a ring structure. Then ligand is called as chelating ligands, and complex is called chelate. We know that in En, ethylene diamine, two nitrogen atoms donate lone pair of electron to central metal. So, in this way, we can write the structure of the complex ion N nitrogen. In En, ligand attaches with donor lone pair of electrons, mean dative bond. Similarly, nitrogen of En attaches with the central atom by two dative bonds, then a ring structure is obtained. So, ethylene diamine is a chelate ligand. Similarly, Fe(C2O4) mean oxalato OH for 3 minus ion is a chelate. In this complex ion, 3 oxalato ligands are attached with central metal by 2 dative bonds in each oxalato. We know that in oxalato, 2 oxygen atoms are donate lone pair of electron to central metal. So oxygen attached with 2 dative bonds. Similarly, 2 dative bonds and similarly 2 dative bonds, then the structure of the complex is ring shape. So oxalato is a chelate ligand. Chelating ligands form stable complex as compared to monodentate ligands. Very important because cyclization provides stability of complex. Very important. The word chelate is derived from Greek word chel. It means claw. The complex when formed with chelating ligand is called chelate. Very important. Welcome again. Now we will take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyaan multiple choice type question series. Question first is, which of the following is a ambidentate ligand? En OH cyanide OH minus. So answer will be option C. We know that in cyanide 2 donor atoms are present, carbon and nitrogen. So answer will be option C. Now next question. Question 2. In NO2 minus, nitrogen atom is attached with central metal. Then its name is nitrito O, nitrito N, both B and C. So answer will be option D, nitro and nitrito N. Now next question third. A ligand is attached with central metal to make a ring structure. Then ligand is chelate ligand, ambidentate ligand, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So answer will be chelate ligand. Now next question 4. Which of the following is a stable coordination compound? Option A, B, C and D. We know that chelating ligands form stable complex as compared to monodentate ligands. In option A, ligand is chelating ligand. In option B, cyanide is a ambidentate ligand. In option C, NH3 is a monodentate ligand. So answer will be option A, CuEn2+. Because cyclization provides stability to the complex. So answer will be option A. Very important question. And last question is, which of the following statement is or are false? Option A, oxalato is a chelate ligand. It is a true statement. Option B, coordination compound contains ambidentate ligand shows linkage isomery. It is also a correct statement. In option C, chelate is derived from Greek word chel. It is also a true statement. And in option D, cyanide is a chelate ligand. It is a false statement. So answer will be option D. Hopefully guys, you have understood about ambidentate and chelate ligand. Thanks for watching the video.